AI is disrupting the remote work industry, and as AI tools keep getting smarter, some services are becoming less and less relevant. Transcription used to be a service that virtual assistant offer, just like data entry. But nowadays, almost no one need a virtual assistant for transcription because there are so many AI tools that can do it for free within seconds. Even I myself lost 2 clients to AI, but not in the way you are probably thinking. I used to have a client who have a coaching business in Kajabi, and the client write engineering articles, and the client post on their website, and they get a lot of traffic from Google, and they convert some of the people that come from Google search to their website into their paid membership. That is the business model. But when ChatGPT comes out and a lot of people start writing articles with AI articles flood Google just kill blogging entirely. So the website used to get like 1 million views per month. It dropped to less than 100,000 views per month. So the business couldn't sustain itself. The business has to fire their content writer, their graphic designer, and myself, who manage the content production entirely. I also had another client who get way too overwhelmed with AI that I had to stop working for the client. Their business didn't die because AI replaced anything, but they just get too overwhelmed. There are too many new AI tools. They have to try too many new AI tools, too many new ideas, and the work just became way too overwhelming because of AI. And at the end, I had to just make a decision to stop working for them. The bottom line is the remote work industry is changing in so many different ways, and most virtual assistants are going to suffer because of those changes. The virtual assistants that are going to thrive in this era of AI, they are going to have one quality that the majority don't have. They become problem solvers instead of task assistant. I will give you an example. I work for a client who have a coaching business, and their entire business is in Go High Level, and they want to build a workflow, a complicated workflow. So the client chat with Claude AI, and they get step-by-step instruction on how to set up the workflow that they want to set up in Go High Level. And the client sent me the instruction and asked me to set it up in their Go High Level account. I started working to set it up following Claude instructions, and I quickly figured the way Claude wants to set it up is never going to work, because some of the things that Claude think the Go High Level has, it doesn't. Some of the processes, they are just not going to work that way. See, if I am a task assistant, what I am going to do is I am going to report back to the client and say, okay, this is not going to work because these processes, they are not going to work in Go High Level because of this and that. That is a task assistant. Instead of doing that, what I did is, okay, this process is not going to work, but I know what the client wants to achieve when the workflow is completed. So what is the best way for me to set it up so that that goal is achieved? I tried several things, didn't work. I had to use Zapier at the end, and I figured a way to use Zapier to connect with Calendly and Go High Level, and the process works. After the process works, then I report to the client, and I explain to the client, okay, this Claude method is not going to work, but I figure out a way to do this and that, and now it works. And when the client take a look at it, yes, the task is completed, the goal is achieved. That is problem solving instead of just task assistant. The main thing that you need to keep in your mind is don't be the one who wait for instructions. Be the one to create the instructions. That is how you are going to thrive. And it is going to start with your learning process. If you are in the learning process now, you haven't found a client yet, this is the right time for you to start developing your problem solving ability, because you are going to encounter so many challenges, so many problems. A lot of things are not going to work as they should. A lot of things are going to be too difficult. If you wait, you look for someone to tell you what to do. If something didn't work, you just abandon it and look for something else. You are never going to develop that problem solving ability. But when a problem comes up, you don't know how to solve this thing, you don't know who to ask, you do an internet research, you try things out until you figure it out. That is how you are going to be able to develop the problem solving ability. The person who just waits to follow instruction is the person that is going to be easily replaced by AI. But if you have the problem solving ability, then you are going to be the one who use AI to create the instructions and solve problems. And that is why the main message of this video is, if you want to thrive in the AI era, you have to stop being a task assistant and instead become a problem solver. That is how you win. And if you find this video helpful, YouTube think you are going to like this one. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.